Hello everyone, welcome to Simplify Studies. Today we will learn about subject and predicate. Well, we all know a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. But the question is how to know which part of a sentence is subject and which part is predicate. The easiest way to find subject and predicate is first find the verb given in the sentence. For example, if the sentence is the fisherman is catching the fish, here catching is the main verb and is the helping verb. So, we will underline is catching. A predicate contains verb as well as what the verb is doing, and a subject gives answer of who or what. Well, a predicate contains verb or what the subject is doing. In short, predicate is the part of a sentence that tells us about the subject. Then ask the question starting with who or what and place the verb at the end. So, my question will be who is catching? As you all know, catching is the verb. So, the answer is the fisherman. So, here the subject is the fisherman. Now, you may be thinking why I have added the in front of the fisherman. Yes, this is because it is specifying the fisherman. So, I have added the fisherman as subject and is catching the fish is the predicate here. Let us take the second example. The sentence says, at the bottom of the river lay his axe. So, first, what are we going to do? We will underline the verb. Here, the verb is lay. Now, I'll frame a question using the same verb at the end of the question, which will start with who or what. So, the question is, what lay at the bottom of the river? And the answer is his axe. So, here the subject is his axe and the predicate is at the bottom of the river. Normally, a subject comes before the predicate, but in some cases it can also come at the end. I hope the previous example justifies this. Now, let us see subject in an imperative or command sentence. Look at this sentence. The first sentence says, brush your teeth. It is an imperative sentence, means a command sentence. What is the subject in this sentence? Can you tell me? Well, this sentence actually means you should brush your teeth, but you is not stated, it is implied. Similarly, if I say stand up, it means I'm telling you to stand up. Okay? Or if I say wait outside, so it means you may wait outside. In both these sentences, the subject is you, though it is implied and not stated. Please note, in an imperative sentence, the subject is always you, but it is not stated, it is implied. Before I proceed to my next sentence, I like to mention that if you have not seen my video on helping verbs, then please watch it first. The link of the same is given in the description box. Now, let's move on to the next example. The example says, she is a pretty girl. So, first we will underline the verb. Here, is the verb. Now, we will frame a question using who or what. So, the question is, who is pretty? She here is the subject and is a pretty girl, the entire part will become the predicate. So, you have to remember the subject can be a noun or a pronoun or group of words. Let us see one more example. The example says, I have a cute cat. So first we will underline the verb. Here the verb is have. Next we will ask a question which will start with who or what. So the question is, who has a cute cat? And the answer is I. So I is subject here and have a cute cat, the entire part becomes our predicate. Many of you might be thinking, cat is a noun here, then why is it not used as a subject? So the answer is because this noun is not performing the verb have. So this will not be included in the subject. Any noun cannot be the subject of the sentence. Only the noun which performs the verb is the subject. The next sentence says, the girl with blue eyes is my friend. So, first we will underline the verb, then we will ask the question using who or what. So, who is my friend? And the answer is the girl with blue eyes is my friend. So, the subject is the girl with blue eyes is subject and predicate is my friend. Here are few more examples related to subject and predicate. I have underlined the subject with red color and the predicate with blue color. Please go through these examples. At the end, I like to revise whatever I have taught till now. We all know that subject can be a noun or a pronoun or a group of words acting as a noun. In case it is a noun, we have to be very careful and we must always include the articles or any other group of words which are modifying that noun. Now, please note, any noun cannot be the subject. Only the noun which performs the verb in the sentence can be the subject. So, all you need to do is to take up more examples and see if you can find out the correct subject and predicate in a sentence. That's all for today. Yeah, but before that, do attempt the online quiz related to this topic. The link is provided in the description box of this video. Thank you and have a good day.